Hello and welcome to the fourth video about the basics of Android programming. I would just like to take a moment to start by thanking all of you for watching the series. I did not expect this much attention this fast, so I will do my best to not disappoint you. If you have any questions or suggestions whatsoever, let me know by posting in the comment section below the video. I will get back to you as soon as I can. So let's get started with the video. In this video we are going to create something called a scroll view and an image view. A scroll view is a kind of layout that allows you to scroll through it. So you can make the contents inside the scroll view fill up more than the available screen. You will understand better as soon as we get into the programming. And an image view is basically an image. So let's go ahead and dive into the project. Here we go, let's get started. I'm just going to create the project fast. I'm going to name it tutorial vid 4. Set the build target to 2.3.3. The package name will be com.ligr tutorial vid 4. Okay, now I get to write into the main.xml file. Just going to remove the text view. As you can see, we already have a linear layout. We are actually going to keep this one. And we're going to create a scroll view. Whoops, take away the style part. Get down. Basically every object you start by defining the same. We're going to set the width of the scroll view to maximum of the screen, as well as the height to the full screen. And then we are going to set Android orientation to vertical. And then we're going to put the end over here, so the linear layout is inside our scroll view. A scroll view cannot hold two childs. So if we have this, it will return an error, or at least it should. Maybe, let's see. You know what, let's create buttons instead. Yeah, scroll view can only host one direct child. So what we have to do is that we have to have only one layout, and inside the layout we have to put our objects. For example, I'm gonna put out some buttons, or a bunch of them. Let's see. Excellent. Then I'm going to run the project. I'm going to cut the video while it compiles. We are now going to try and scroll through our buttons. As you can see, it's very easy to do and it's pretty smooth. On your device it would look even better. So that's how a scroll view works. Now we're going to import our own image to an image view. I have already created a very nice looking image over here. So I'm going to save it in my project. In order to do that, you first have to look at where your project is. Mine is at C and Android tutorials. Then you go inside your project you're working on, inside the resource folder. And then you place it somewhere inside the drawables. Basically every folder is for certain types of density of your screen size on different mobile devices. So if you want to, you can have different sizes of this image depending on what type of phone is being used. If it is HDPI, you want the image to be even bigger than it is on the low DPI, etc. But I usually just go with one image, and then you can place it somewhere like MDPI. We're going to name it first picture. It has to be a PNG file, so make sure that it isn't a GMP or GIF or something like that. Make sure it's a PNG. And we're going to save it. And then we should find our image if we just refresh it. We should. Okay, what if I build a project? There we go. You can look at the little preview. So we're going to create an image view. Let's replace the button over here. Image view. Whoops. As before, it is built basically like any other object. We're going to have to define a width. We're going to set it wrap content, so it will take up as much space as the image takes. And we're also going to do the same with our height. Oops, and then we're going to Android. Source, set a drawable as the content of this image view. And we're going to set it to @drawable / what did we name it again? First picture, which is spelled wrong, but it's fine. First picture, I think I spelled it like that. Cutre, yeah. Now we should see. As you can see, it's a pretty nice looking image. I'm just going to compile it and see if it shows up in our emulator. It should do. Yes, as you can see, it's there. So this video might have been a bit short, but you know now how to make an application that you can scroll through, and you know how to insert your own images. That was all for this video. I would like to thank you for sticking around, and I hope I will see you in later videos too. If you like the videos, please spread them if you can, and subscribe. Maybe give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Expect a new video soon. I'll see you around.